You will love the features of this 2020 Jeep Wrangler. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The Jeep Wrangler, the rugged and iconic, adventure-loving four-wheel drive open-air SUV with the power and capabilities you need for your outdoor lifestyle. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: backup camera, fog lamps, electronic stability control, Bluetooth connection, steering wheel audio controls, intermittent wipers, traction control, tire pressure monitoring system, passenger vanity mirror, rear reading lamps. Never be anyone but your authentic self. You belong in the Wrangler.